Good morning, guys. Welcome to day 2 of my 12 days of carry. I'm still feeling pretty congested today, but we have to go grocery shopping today. We have like nothing. We ran out of coffee, so that tells you how bad we need to go to the grocery store. So I have to make my list, figure out what I'm gonna cook this week. What day is it? Okay, it's like the middle of the week, but figure out what I'm gonna cook for the next week. And I'll show you guys how I'm gonna carry at the grocery store. I also have Bible study tonight. And some other stuff we have to do throughout the day. So I'll take you along with me, and I hope you enjoy. To make my whole grocery experience easier is I made this grocery list on Canva with all the things that I normally buy. So I just have to highlight the things that I need this week. And it's broken down by aisle. So the way that I usually walk around the grocery store is the way that this is arranged. And that just helps me make my list faster every week because I was writing down the same things every week. So I just made this list and I just keep them in my kitchen. So now I can go through our kitchen and figure out what we need. I'm gonna try to make these cookies for Christmas. I made them years ago and I showed them to Chase, who's my youngest stepson, and he really wants to make them. So I'm gonna get the ingredients so we can make these. I'll post this recipe below in case you guys wanna make them. It has a pretzel for a handle, and that's a sugar cookie with like a chocolate, is it ganache? Ganache? In the middle, and mini marshmallows. I remember they tasted really good, so we'll try to make these this week. This is a daily occurrence in our house. It's the wrestling. What are you guys doing? Wyatt? Oh my goodness, this is so cute. Okay, go downstairs. Good girl, go downstairs. Go ahead. She's so smart. Go ahead, buddy. Go follow Mila. Go downstairs. All right, here's my outfit today. Very casual. I'm obviously not wearing my slipper boots outside, but these are so warm. I got these from Amazon. They're my favorite little slippers. I'll link them below in case you guys need a pair of good slipper booties, and they have like a hard bottom. Anyway, I'll be changing those to boots, but I'm wearing my Alexo Athletica leggings. That's how I'm gonna carry my gun today. These leggings have a holster pocket built into the waist. I'll show you that in a second. And then just a long shirt underneath with a sweatshirt on top. This is my chosen sweatshirt, represent. So let me show you where my gun's gonna go. They have a lot of different kinds of leggings, but these leggings have pockets on the side, which I love because I can take my cell phone, put it in one pocket, take my pepper spray, my palm, put it on the other side. And then my gun goes right in here. Let me show you what's in this pocket protecting the trigger, because when I post these on Instagram and stuff and I don't have time to elaborate on every single detail about the leggings, I always get comments that are like, what about the trigger? And people just assume there's no trigger protection, but there is trigger protection in these. This is made by DeSantis. It's like a trigger guard that you put in the pocket. It has this rubbery, sticky stuff on the outside so it doesn't come up when you draw your gun. And it's elastic in the middle so it stretches, and it's made to fit right into that pocket. So it goes right in the holster pocket, tuck it in there. Then I'm gonna take my gun and carefully holster it, not flagging my fingers. Okay, so it goes right in that pocket, and it's got trigger protection. I can't pull the trigger through this. All right, so then it goes, my sweatshirt goes over. Just a really easy, casual, sporty way to carry. Really fast draw too. And take your time reholstering. One of my favorite ways to carry during long pants season because it's so simple, and it's got the pockets, so I don't have to carry a bag if I didn't want to. I can just put all my stuff in my pockets, have my hands free, able to get to my gun. And that's how I'm gonna carry this morning. I might change it up later when I go to Bible study, we'll see. But that's how I'm gonna carry to the grocery store. If you buy these leggings, I definitely recommend buying one of those trigger guards. I think they're like $15, $10 or $15, but definitely worth it. You can also put these trigger guards in like the belly band I wore yesterday, the can one. You could put it in soft holsters like that, and it fits the can at least. Great solution there. Whenever we're gonna leave the house for a little bit, I like to give the dogs a treat that they can chew on for a bit. And I love these sweet potato chews. It's just dehydrated sweet potato, which I can probably just make at home. But I get these from Marshall's. They are like $6 for a bag. But they love these, and it's just sweet potato. So that's a healthy treat. Oh, you can give your dog a sit. Good boy. Okay, go ahead. Mila, come. Up. Good girl. Here you go. Go ahead. All right, we are on our way to the grocery store. I'm not going alone today. Mac is with me. Very exciting. I wanted to know what your favorite Christmas traditions are. We've started a few over the last few years, but I want to know what kind of Christmas traditions you have. So if you have anything that you like to do around this time of year, leave it in the comments. What's your favorite Christmas tradition, baby?
I don't know if it's a tradition. I mean, I guess it is, but I like to watch the boys open gifts. I mean, just the excitement, you know,
yeah.
It's like the kids thing, you know, when they're at our house, they come down the stairs and they're just like pumped
so excited.
Pumped up, yeah, they look, and generally, Ryan at least is always looking for that one gift, like where is it?
Yeah.
Where's the one I really want? And you can kind of watch him scouring through the gifts until he finds it. And then, you know, that first like half hour where they play with the toys, with their favorite toy, like before everyone gets there and it's anarchy and you're trying to just make sure things don't get lost like that.
Yeah.
When they bump into that one gift they really wanted and they instantly want you to put the batteries in it and make it work. And I like watching that. You know, I think that we've only got a few more years of that.
Yeah.
Before they're just like, all right, cool, thanks, I'm going with my friends.
You guys are so lame.
But I don't know, I like having Christmas at our house too. I like everybody coming over, you know.
Yeah,
I know it's a lot of work, especially for you, but I don't know, I just kind of like everybody coming over and then doing all the Christmas things and then,
yeah,
you know,
it's fun.
It's good to have everyone, the whole family there. So.
One of my favorite things that we do around this time of year is we go see the Christmas lights.
Oh yeah.
At
well, the two places we go.
Yeah. Are they both Catholic churches? Anyway, it's some sort of church. And they do like this huge Christmas light display for the whole month of December. So we're probably gonna go maybe next week when your parents get here.
Yeah, we should probably wait for that.
Yeah, and I'll show it on here, so that'll be during my 12 days. But that's probably one of my favorite things because it's just very festive and the lights are beautiful. And it only happens during this time of year, so. Anyway, we're gonna go do our grocery shopping, hopefully fairly quickly, and we'll see you guys later. Okay, quick detour to Walmart to get some last minute gift stuff. These are for the boys. They always take our dining room chairs and put them in the living room to play video games, so I think these will get a lot of use. This is where you'll find Mac at Walmart. No, we really need something. How are the prices, babe?
They're not bad.
Not bad? All right, we're back home now. We emptied all our groceries from the car, put them in the fridge. I accidentally dropped a can of Guinness and it went everywhere. Like I dropped it right outside the fridge and it was almost on the ceiling, all over the cabinets. Anyway, that's all picked up now. So I have to make some bone broth because I have some bones left over from a chicken I made last week. So I'm gonna do that now. I'm gonna do that now. I sent the dogs outside because they were being disruptive. So the way I make my bone broth is I put the chicken carcass in here, which we used it for dinner one night, and then I made soup out of it, and then I think we made a wrap out of it. But so this is a leftover carcass, and I put some carrots and celery. I had the celery in the freezer along with these bits of onion. So any vegetables that you have, you can just stick them in the freezer and then use them for broth. So I'm going to put some apple cider vinegar in here to break up all the good stuff in the bones, and then some salt and pepper, maybe some other spices, and then I'll cook it on low for 24 hours. Alright, I asked Mac to show you his concealment today. How are you carrying today? What kind of holster is it?
About 430. It's a 508 actually.
508
yeah,
holster.
but it would be like a copy of a crossbreed.
Okay.
That's what that is. So.
Very nice.
I got my
got the knife, extra mag. All right. All right. I figured it's a good time to open day 2 of our advent calendar. Let's see what's in here. Alright, we got day 2 right here. Yesterday we had the really cute gun necklace. Let's see what we have today. Oh, it feels cylindrical. Let's see what this is. It's a range day scented candle. I love that. It's like Christmassy, but also has a hint of gunpowder. Oh my goodness, I love this. All of these things, by the way, are for sale on her website. So if you didn't get an advent calendar, you can still get these things off her website. This is such a cute gift idea for someone you know who likes to go to the range. It's a range day candle. I'm gonna have to get some more of these. That is so cute, and it actually smells really good. I also have a discount code. I think it's 10% off Armed and Styled's website. So if you want to get someone a cute little range day candle, check out her website. It's linked below. I love this. It is the end of the evening. So just to fill you in, I took Ryan to karate. Then I went to Bible study like right away. And then we had dinner. Oh, let me show you what I got. Hold on. Can you please share the screen with me? Thanks. Okay. So I had my logo 3D printed because my cousin Paul wants to make me something, and he said he needs like a physical copy of my logo. So I had this printed. I found a place in town that does it, and I've never 3D printed anything. So this was very new for me, but it's pretty cool how they can just make anything. What do you think, Mila? You like it? So I went to Bible study, and now I'm just finishing editing my video, so I wanted to do a little outro and let you guys know, remind you that my course is 50% off until January 1st. So if you've been thinking about taking my online course, the Armed and Confident Academy, it's a great way to learn how to integrate a gun into your daily life. And you have lifetime access, so any updates that I add to it in the future, you'll have access to it for life, and you can do it on your own time. So the code for that is right here if you want to get half off the enrollment fee for the course. It's a really big sale, so this is the time to sign up. Anyway, I hope you guys Mila, I can't see. Oh, we hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys back here tomorrow. Stay safe, and thanks for watching. Bye.